In this video, I'll show you how to install your ink cartridges or how to replace them on your Canon MB2720 printer. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your printer is turned on. Then we need to open this door over here, put your fingers, lower it, and as soon as you're doing this, after about 7 seconds, you're going to get the cartridge presenting to you. Now you're going to notice on the display it says install the following ink tank, yellow. To replace a different ink, select next. So we must start by installing the yellow ink. So I'll take my yellow ink cartridge. It looks like this, Canon 1200. And all you have to do, put it, okay, like this. Whoops, sorry, you see, I didn't put it right, like that. So you should read Canon 1200 facing you, and this part facing the printer. You see over here, there is just like a ramp, I don't know how to call it. Put your ink cartridge in that ramp and simply push it forward. Like that. And now simply take one finger and push it completely in. We're not done yet, let's push it more. Here we go. You should really hear a strong click. In the future, if you want to remove one of these ink cartridge, well, let's say the yellow one, simply press this blue tab. Once you've done this, press next. And next is the black ink cartridge. The black ink cartridge is definitely larger than the other ones. So do the same thing, place it this way with the name of the ink cartridge facing you and simply glide it. Like that. And now push it. Perfect. Press next. Cyan. Same thing. I'll press next, and now magenta. Then press exit. Now it's time to close the front cover. In the future, if you want to replace your ink cartridges, you simply have to turn on your printer, open this panel over here. And if one of the ink cartridge needs to be replaced, the carriage will be presented to you the same way, okay, with all the inks. If nothing is happening and on the screen here you see the front cover is open, close the cover, it simply means that you don't have to refill any ink cartridges. You don't have to change any, so you're good to go. This is why it's not sliding. But in case yours is sliding, okay, simply have to push on this button once the carriage is in front of you to unclip any ink cartridge. You can now remove it with your fingers once you have pressed on this unlock button. And yeah, this is about it. This is how you're going to replace your cartridges.